Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! I'm here to share with you how online friendships can be absolutely outstanding. I've made many friends that are online there by simply having the common interest with them of the video game there that I'm playing, or of the content there that I create there with being a YouTuber there, that you can easily befriend other YouTubers there by having that common interest of both enjoying making videos and being able to even have similar types of content there, that you can get ideas from each other there for different types of videos that are created there, that you have that commonality there with people there because of the interest there that you're into there, that then you're making friends there based on that common interest there, to have kind of a initial bond there with the community there by having that shared interest there. It's an amazing and incredible commonality there that you can have there that a lot of people don't think about there when it comes to making friends in the online world there, that it's an amazing thing there to already have that commonality because of what you're already enjoying doing there, that hey, other people enjoy this just as much as I do. I really hope that more people will take the opportunity to make more friends online there because of the common interest there that they have. If you're a bookworm there, they have even apps there for bookworms. They have a wonderful free app there called Libby. You can download in the App Store on iOS and Android. They have a wonderful app there for gamers there to communicate, Discord, and even on Twitch there you can share the interest of playing a game and being able to interact with the streamer there, having a wonderful connection there of the interest of video games and the interest in learning about new video games and learning about aspects of a game there that you thought were interesting, but now you can see from someone else playing it the aspects of the video game and learning more about different video games there and the people there that enjoy playing them, to have some awesome cool gamer friends because of having that common interest. If you're into making videos, videography there, YouTube is a wonderful place there to meet other YouTubers, people there who enjoy making videos there, to relate to people, to connect to people, to help people. It's amazing there that online there is a community for literally any interest that someone there can have there, that you can form friendships based on that interest. I hope there that y'all will dive into a new interest today there, whether it's books, whether it's videography, or whether it's playing video games, whether it's learning a new hobby there and then sharing that with others there, that it's an amazing opportunity there that you have the chance to teach, to learn, to develop, to grow there, that you can have friendships based on even learning new hobbies there, that you can enjoy many different doors there that are open for you. I hope there that you guys there will discover some new online friends today there because of diving into a new interest there that you were curious about but haven't done so. I'm here encouraging you to do that because it is an amazing opportunity to do that, and there's no better time to do it than today, to try something new, to try something there that's always had you curious, that you should just not be afraid and be able to just jump head first there into trying something new there, because it could be the best thing there that's ever happened to you in your life there. And once you have that experience there, that you're going to want to seek more amazing things there that you can do to make more friends there because of the community there that you've connected with there, that you have so many more doors open for you for amazing ways to connect with people online there. I hope that you guys find an amazing hobby, amazing passion, amazing interest that you love and that you enjoy and that you can make thousands of friends with. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, subbies!